Samsung is bringing some major upgrade to the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and this is what we all have been waiting from Samsung. But before moving on, if you are new here on the channel, make sure to subscribe it. So guys, we know that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 came with the single hinge design which looks kind of the same like the Galaxy Z Fold 3 hinge design. But it has an important feature which is the IPX8 rating which make it separate from the other competitors who are going with the teardrop hinge, but they miss out an important feature which is the waterproofing. So definitely Z Fold 4 has an edge over their competitor. Interestingly, this year Samsung is finally going for the water drop hinge design on the Fold 5, but here is a twist. Galaxy Z Fold 5 will also be coming with an IPX8 rating, which means that Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be a waterproof phone just like the Z Fold 4, and it's going to be a better device as compared to its competitor. Now, with this new hinge design, we can also expect to see some major changes in the Fold 5. The new hinge will bring a Z Fold 5 much thinner as compared to Z Fold 4, and according to Ice Universe, the Fold 5 will be coming with 13mm of range of thickness as compared to 15.8mm on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. On paper, the number seems bigger, but in real life, it won't make a big impact on the user experience on holding a Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, another major upgrade that you can expect for this hinge will be a flat folded display, meaning there will be no gap when Fold 5 is folded, which I really think is good because it gives it a nice clean flat look. We can only expect that this new hinge will bring an improvement in the crease visibility on long-term usage and it will be less visible. Now, having this much thinner folded device will also impact on the battery life of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The least we can expect is the 4400 mAh battery capacity, which is similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I think there would be not a problem with the battery because with this new tech like a power efficient processor, a new display, we could expect to get a better battery life on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now there are leaks that Samsung can add the S Pen built in the body, but due to the space limitation, they are dropping the idea of putting the S Pen in the Fold 5 body, which is kind of a weird thing because I really hope that it was coming inside the body. According to the leak, if they add the S Pen in the body, they need to increase the thickness of the phone, and that Samsung did not want it at that moment. So definitely this leak is not concrete, so take this leak as a pinch of salt. And yo guys, that is it in this particular video. If you are interested to see the Galaxy S23 Ultra hidden features, here is the video, check them out as well. Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe. Peace.